Well, the last full week of April is here. This year's speeding by, and we need some rain still.
We need the rain right now. The rain and nasty weather is all up in the northeast, which explains why it's so nice here.
Yeah.
Anytime you got a storm up there, it's nice here. And this has been a pretty unusual nor'easter. They didn't see much of this kind of weather all winter long, but it's been snowing up there since the weekend, some places with up to a foot of snow. That's the Rochester area that you're seeing there. Schools closed down today, and all kinds of craziness there in the Northeast. But back here at home, again, when you get a system on the East Coast, we tend to be pretty nice in the middle of the country, and that's certainly the case today. We are seeing some overcast conditions right now. Most of the day, as you know, have been sunny, but the last several hours, we've seen clouds kind of thicken up a little bit, and this is the live view out over Marble Falls, where it's actually looks to be completely cloudy right now. Our Highland Furniture Center camera out there. And there is just a little bit of rain showing up on the radar, but we don't think that's actually making it to the ground. The air is real dry between this cloud base and the ground, and so if you get more than a sprinkle out here, I would be surprised. 80 degrees in Austin right now, and partly to mostly cloudy skies. This is our evening planning forecast. It'll be really, really nice by 10 p.m. tonight, with temperatures down into the mid-60s and partly cloudy. Actually, the clouds beginning to thin out a little bit at that time as this weak little disturbance moves right on away from us. Temperatures right now, 75 up in Lampasas, 80 in Burnet, 81 in Marble Falls. In the metro area, temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s, 80 in Cedar Park and 81 in Lakeway. But many locations today haven't even made it to 80 degrees. So really nice after yesterday's readings in the 90s. And 70s off to the east at this hour, too. In Austin, it is 80, and skies are partly cloudy. Dew points down in the low 40s. The air is dry. 79 at ABIA with a partly cloudy sky and a wind that's out of the southeast in the city. Winds are northerly right now, 5 miles per hour at ABIA. Sunset is at 8:04 tonight. Mole count's down a little, but it's still high, 1,032. A little bit of pecan, assorted tree pollens adding up to 22, and grass at a low level there as well. So the pollen count not all that bad today. To the north, 70s, 74 Dallas, 78 Houston, 80 down in San Antonio, 93 in Laredo, the hot spot. And you can see this very weak little disturbance right there tracking from the hill country right across central Texas, but it'll continue to move steadily off to the south and southeast. It'll be out of here, and any precipitation chances will diminish as a ridge of high pressure builds over our area through the middle of the week, keeping things unseasonably quiet, warm, and dry. In fact, we're going to shoot right back up above normal, way above normal, in fact, by midweek. Let me show you that in a minute. Enjoy tonight and in the morning, because the low temperatures are going to fall back into the 50s, low to mid-50s in most locations, with the coolest valleys in the 40s again tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're up into at least the low 80s, maybe a little closer to the mid-80s in some areas. And then by Wednesday, we're likely in the upper 80s, maybe close to 90 again. Tonight, partly cloudy sky. Clouds actually thinning out late. 55 degrees the low in the morning in Austin. 84 tomorrow with mostly sunny skies, and on the 7-day forecast, we're looking at temperatures warming up into the mid-60s for the morning low on Wednesday morning, upper 80s Wednesday afternoon, upper 80s Thursday afternoon. In fact, as we head into the weekend, not a lot of change in temperature, only because we have more humidity. But we do have a chance of rain, at least, as we end the month of April and begin May. Let's hope May is normal rainfall-wise, because it looks like April may not be.